When you move, delete or rename the image or video you use in Adobe Premiere, you will encounter the media offline error. This error states that the media used in the project couldn't be found. I will show you how we can fix this red and worrying error. Our video is here, playing normally, and as I mentioned at the beginning, when I rename this file or move it to another location, I will get an error. I will get the error that it cannot find and read the file. This is how we are going to do it. My video is here on my computer and I'm going to rename it. I named it video2.mp4 and therefore it will not be able to play and will give an error because there is no such file in this folder on the computer. If it cannot find the file, you will see such a window and the red error behind it. When we look at the back screen, it shows the media offline error and it shows the translation of these words in other languages. So what can we do in this window? If it can't find more than one file, it will show all the files it can't find by listing them one below the other. Since we are working on one file, there is only one option. This is the folder where the file should be located. This is the name of the file. So we can say that it is looking for this file in this folder. If it is possible to continue in this way, we can choose the offline option from here. Or if there is more than one lost file, by selecting the offline all option, we can ensure that all files continue as offline. There is also a locate button. If the video.mp4 file exists somewhere, if you have changed the location of the file, not with another name, you can find the relevant file by clicking locate here. Now I click the cancel button and select the offline option. As you can see, when I select offline, a screen like this will be played instead of the video playing. This is very normal because it can't find the file. If you have just clicked on locate on the previous screen and if you could select that folder and find the video.mp4 file, this file would be playing here, but it can't be found here because we changed its name. There could be a lot of files here. We can learn that this file is offline by double clicking on it by means of this window. Normally when we double click on a video, a preview of that video appears in the monitor window. But we are faced with this screen because it can't appear at the moment, because such a file doesn't exist on my computer. Another method that we understand to be offline is when I scroll to the right, you will see the word offline under the column titled status. This word also means that this file is offline. So how can we replace this file with the file we just named or replace it with another file? This is how we do it. I right click on the file. I can select the link media option. I can choose the replace footage option. I will encounter the screen just before with link media. With locate, I can have that file searched, but it will scan the current name. If you have changed the location of the file, you can search in those folders and related folders via this button. But since I changed the name of the file, I choose replace footage from here. When I click replace footage, I will get this window. In this window, I select the file that I changed the name of and click the select button. With select, the file will come here and I can view the file I changed the name here. Here is the solution for this error. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.